Hi there, and thanks for stopping by the Inspiring Exhibitors website. Here at ProExTra, what we hope to do is inspire you and your team to have a brilliant trade show campaign that drives a strong ROI and builds your sales pipeline now and in the future. What we can't do is tell you how it's done and give you a blueprint for success. We've never even met you yet. But what we can do across these pages is give you some advice, some insight, and some views from around the industry that will help you think a little bit differently about how you might plan, implement, and evaluate your trade shows to get the best possible return you can. By visiting the blog and podcast pages, you can find our latest opinions, but also interviews with people who have had some experience in the industry and can maybe share a tip or two with you. If you check out the consultancy, project management, and training pages, you'll see the sort of services that we offer and how we might be able to help your business. If you're keen to learn what our customers and clients think of us, pop over to the case studies page and read about the other projects we've been involved in and how our clients feel that we've delivered for them. And finally, if you've read all of this and you're inspired and keen to work with us, we would love to hear from you. Whatever your trade show trouble, whether it's just grabbing some staff for your next event or you're struggling with which show is the right one for you to attend, we'd love to help you troubleshoot that trade show problem. So click over to the contact page and we'd love to hear from you today. Happy exhibitioning, and if you want to learn more, there's always the book, The Exhibitionist, available under the Exhibitionist tab. Look forward to hearing from you soon.